and plus 4 5 followers. In form 4 file linked, we have added this much. You can write it manually. Okay, try this much. So HTML and then body is needed, and then after this 3 4 line of code you can write it first. Okay, this thing you can add it. Now next, this example is going to help us tab index, how it will work, how we can set the sequence of cursor. For that we have to create 4 5 text boxes. 4 5 text boxes are required. Now come in this file, open the form tab and close the form tab, and you can write inside a table tag, open close. This table tag will have a line equal to center, cell padding, let's keep 10. Okay, table, open close. After that, align center, cell padding 10. We can write inside one caption tag. H1 will be there. Register, register, register. Okay, then now write a tr, th, full name, or maybe first name, then write a td, input type equal to text. Now write one more th, last name, input type equal to th, input type equal to text. So in one tr, you have added total 4 columns. In one tr, total 4 columns. 2 th and 2 td. 2 th and 2 td. Next, after this, we can check also how it look. So both the tr, one tr will appear something like this. In the same line, it will display both the fields. Okay, we can add next year. Next year, TH, mobile number, next day. Input type, number. Next TH, email ID. Input type, email. Okay, so hope ready like this. Next, after this, in this for text field, we can set the tab index. Okay, for field we have added, we'll set the tab index. Now for first one, write tab index equal to 1. Tab index equal to 1. For the mobile number, keep tab index 2. 2. For email ID, tab index 3. 3. For last name, okay. For last name, it should be tab index 2. For last name, tab index 2. For mobile number, tab index 3. No, for mobile number, tab index 4. And for email ID, tab index 3. So after filling the last name, it should go to the email. Then it should come to the mobile number. Okay. Correct. Now we can check it. How the cursor is moving. After running the page, we can click under the first name, then press the tab. It should go to the last name, then press the tab, should go to the email, then it should come to the sequence is different, right? So sequence is moving again. Let's click in the first name, tab, last name. Tab should be email because email is in the third tab index, and then fourth one it will be called mobile. After mobile, the fifth should be password and sixth should be confirm password. So write the next TR. Tab index is helping us to set the sequence of cursor, how the cursor should move, where to where it should go. TR, TH, password, next TD, input type equal to in that tab index 5, next TH, confirm password, or maybe re-password, re, password, tab index 6. Tab index 6. It will go in sequence. After mobile number, it will come to the below password, then confirm password. Yeah. So this should look like this. Next, we'll add one message text area. TR, TH, address, TD, text area open, open, text area close. After that, we have to make this TD in such a way that should take the place of 3 TD. Okay, now TD correspond 3. TD will spread in remaining 70% of the area. Okay, this TD should be like this. Text area should be like this. It should cover the space like this automatically. So in the text area, we have a property called rows and columns. We can write here. In text area, we have a property called rows. Rows equal to, rows represent the height, columns represent the width. We may have to increase the column or maybe decrease. See it now. Width is little big only. 62 maybe fit. 62 or 60. Okay, it's like this. Text area. After text area, we will write below similar one more TR. In that, there will be one TD. This TD will take the space of 4 columns. Call span equal to 4. It will take full width. Call span equal to 4. It will take total full width. Okay, done. Now inside that you write a field set. Field set open and close, and first run this file. Field set open and close, run this file. You will find in the last year one box will come, one border box will come. Something like this. Border box came. But again, inside that, let's write now legend. Legend, legend. We'll call hobbies. Your hobbies. So this will become as a label. Label of the field set. This will become label for field set. This will become label for field set. Something like this. Now under this label, we will print the list of hobbies fields. Okay, so we wrote. Next, after this, we can write inside input type equal to checkbox, checkbox, writing, dr, reading, pen, something. Let's go under the hobbies box. You will get this all check boxes one after other. Okay, something like this. Using field set and legend, we can make a border box, and inside we can display the multiple type of contents. Okay, you can keep this one as a call span 2. The call span 4 you have written, make call span 2. In remaining 2, we will display the education. This we keep under the 2, remaining 2, we can write something else. Call span 2, so in half of the area, this field set will appear. Half area will be empty still. There we can do something else. Something like this. Half area, hobbies part, half area, something else. Now write one more TD. After this, there we can write again call span equal to 2. Call span 2. In this again field set we can follow. We can write again legend. Under legend, you can add another field for your education. Your education. Next, come to the check boxes. Input type will be checkbox. Checkbox. Input type will be checkbox. We can write here call 10th. Next, 12th. Next, diploma. Next, graduation. Next, PG. Next, PhD. Now we need to follow BR everywhere so that it will print in the name line. Else all will come in one line. BR, BR. You need to give BR, 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 and BR. Okay. Save it. Check once. Okay, check now. Should be like this. First box and second box. Second box is coming in the middle. This second box is coming from beginning and this is coming in the middle. It also should start from the top. On TR level, the TR you have written for this both the TD, first TD and second TD. TR you have written. In TR level, you can write V align top, vertical align top. VLIGN equal to top. V align top, vertical align top. Okay, so written V align top. You will find both the field set list will appear from the beginning. You can see it started from the top. Next come after this TR now. So hope this TR is finished. After this TR, we can write one radio button to add the gender field. Okay, next TR. Write one TH, gender, and write one TD. You can add here call span equal to 3. Call span equal to 3. Okay, inside that you write input type equal to radio. Name equal to, you have to give any name, but should be common for both. Suppose we write for gender. Then for this, some value is required. In radio button, user cannot enter the value. They can select. So if a person is selecting the radio button, what will be the value of that? Suppose we write as a M, and what will be visible to the user? So to the user, it will be visible as a male, M-A-L-E, male. Male. If a person will select the male, in database, it will store as a M. M will store for the male. Second one, F female. Okay, ready? Something like this. To radio button is coming, you can select anyone, not both. That is because of you have given the common name for both the radio button. So if name is common, value must be different, but name should be common. It will not allow to select multiple radio button. Only one you can select, that browser feature. Next come after this, you can now add an option called upload file. User can select a file and browse and upload. Write the next TR. We can add th upload, maybe resume. TD. Call span 3. Or don't write call span 3, just write directly 1 TD with the input type equal to file. One more th, that will be called as a upload profile photo. Again, we can add a TD. There also you will add input type equal to file. Input type equal to file. Okay, hope ready. Check now. It should look like this. Browse both the places. Table become little large. You can give the width for table. Automatically it will be controlled. According to content, it is getting spread. No problem. Let it increase. Right now, one more here. Add the th. Call span 4. You will add a button. Register. One more button. Reset. Type equal to submit. Below type equal to reset. Okay, rotate. Your page should look like this now, 2 button in the last. Next, some changes we have to do. Table become very wide. It should compress little. We have to reduce the width. Then we have to set the width for table. Automatically, it will become compact. So last year, button is written. Now, till button completed. Let me know. Okay, working. Remaining are trying still, or how it is. So in the page now, come in the beginning where you have started the table tab. In beginning we'll go where we have started the table tab. Second table, not the first table, second table, the form one. Let's set the width equal to somewhere 600, 500. 500 I given. Let me see. It's still more. 400. Not getting compressed. Okay, because minimum that much is required. 450. 500. Till where it was going. No, it's not suitable. 600. Yes, so not suitable. More than that. 800. Now we will do it. Okay, better than that. Don't give the width. Let's see, without width it was okay. Based on width, the fields are getting rearranged. Similar somewhere. If this text area we can increase like this. This text box is going outside. Okay, design is not matter. Okay, just remove width and let the table to be default size. Will be okay. So we got some idea on field set, how we can use the field set. This is your field set. This one. Using field set, we can create the label and it will generate a box. Under the box, we can display something. Then we got idea in this file related to tab index. Okay. Now come to the next file that is called form 5. Form 5.html will guide us some different design. It will be independent page. It will not be linking with anyone. So we'll create the next file, form 5. form 5.html. In form 5 page, you will not keep any kind of linking. It is an independent file, and that will be based on frame set. We have one topic called frame set to understand how to divide the page into multiple blocks. Implement that in this file, HTML open and close. After that, body you will not follow. You will write called frame set tab. Frame set open and close. Frame set open and close. HTML open close, and instead of body, you are opening and closing the frame set directly. Okay. Frame set open and close. Next, after this, inside frame set, how it will work? First, we can come to our developer guide. We can make a note. Then we can come to this example. In frame set, you have two sub element. You can write here out of this input tag. In frame set, you have one tag called frame set and another inner level tag we have called frame. Frame set and frame. In frame set, what we will do? You can write here. It used to divide, or you can write break page into multiple blocks. Okay, it will break your page into multiple blocks. Okay, how that block will happen? It has a property called rows. Rows, it break row wise. Next, it has called false. It break column wise. Break spelling I have written wrong. Correct. Okay, it break row wise and it break column wise. Now suppose you created the page and you break into 3 rows and 3 columns. So 3 row and 3 columns, 6 blocks will be ready. Or maybe you break into 3 rows, 3 row will be ready. Under each row you have to display something that is going to done by the frame. It used to call a file. It used to call a file in a specific a specific block. Like you have a block and you have a file. So page you have break into multiple blocks using the frame set. Now under each block you need to display something. So how you will display? For that this tag will help you. That is called frame tag. What property it has? It has the property called SRC. SRC property will help us. It used to set path for file to call. Like which file you are going to call. For that file, you have to set some path. It used to set the path for the file to call. Which file you want to call, for that, you can set the path URL using the SRC property. Okay. So these two tags we have, frame and frame set, that will help us to break the page into multiple blocks and display different content in each block. Their frame set and frame both are going to play the important role. So now we'll come to the example 5 page. In example 5 page, we can write it. Next thing. Okay, ready? Now come to this file, frame set, open and close. Right inside this frame set, rows equal to, row wise you are dividing, rows equal to the first row will be of 10% height. First row will be 10% height. In form 5 page, you are going to make 3 rows. First row, second row, third row. In that first row, we are saying the height should be 10%. Like suppose total screen height is 1000 pixel. In that 10% will go to the first row. Comma. Second row, you keep somewhere 70%. Right? Next row will be of pending 20%. 70, 20, 90 plus 10. So total form5.html will divide into 4 rows, 4 blocks. Come next. Right inside. Next call. Frame SRC equal to, in the first 10%, which file you want to call. So we can write here a file called header.html. What happened? Header.html. That will call under the first 10%. Next, one more 70% we have. In that, you will call maybe welcome.html. Last 10%, 20%, call a file called footer.html. These files are not exist with us. We have to create it. Write in sequence top to bottom. Then save now. Run this file. Frame 5 we can run. Should look like this. See, is it breaking into 3 rows? Page not found, page not found, page not found. 3 blocks it generate. Since files are not there, we have to create the file, then it will work. But now it should show page not found. Okay, page not found. So hope your page looks similar. Something like this. Possibility of mistake is only one line. When you are written rows equal to, you can see double quote will open once and double quote will close in the last. Okay, and after that, inside total 100% of the area, you need to distribute into the 3 parts. Okay. Total 100% of the area, you need to distribute into the 3 parts. Okay, got it? Now let's go. We have to create the file header, welcome and footer, 3 files. Then that file will appear here and it will look good. Okay, now you will create a file header.html. So our frame form 5.html, 5 becomes a master file. This master file you are just dividing into 3 rows. And under each row, you are calling a different pages. Okay, so remaining files will be as a child file. Header, footer, welcome will be as a child file. Okay, how it is going to work? Let us go. Header.html, basic HTML open close. Body open close. The right column, BG color, orange. Write a paragraph. This is from header. This is from header. Okay, wrote it, header file. Run your form 5 page again. Header will work individual, but header we are not going to run directly. We have to run form 5. Should look like this. Header will come on the top. Coming. Now we'll create one more file. Exact same thing copy paste. In the next file called welcome. Same content copy paste. In the next file, give the file name called welcome. Okay, welcome file. We can write H1, no BG color. Write simple call. Welcome home. This file is called welcome.html. Just like this. H1 keep align center. Okay, hope done. Welcome file. Check again form 5. You should see welcome will come in the middle. One more file is required. Footer. One more file is required. Footer.html. HTML open close. You can use the body tag again here. Write BG color. BG color equal to blue. Write one P tag. Should be aligned in the center. And write again inside the P tag. Font tag. Color white. Size 6. Hello footer. Okay, write this the footer file. Then footer. Check now. Again form 5. You can see header on the top, welcome in the middle, and footer in the last. And this happened through the tag called frame set and frame. So let me know. Hope your page is working. Form 5. Okay, so it is now footer file. I will share you the code. In case error, you can replace it also. Footer file sent. Welcome is just single one line. Header is also single one line. Form 5, you may have done some mistake. So form 5 also I'll send you. Form 5.html. This code is for form 5. Frame set related. Okay. Next, you can see between frames, border is coming. You can see here, between the frames, there is a border also. Here. Border we can capture and we can resize. In form 5 file, the frame set you have written, it has a property called border. Border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. So it will remove the border and your page will look clean completely. In form 5, border equal to 0, border will remove and page will look clean. Right? Body tag we cannot use in the frame set. Either frame set or body, anyone. If you use here body tag, it will not display anything. You can try it. If you open the body tag before frame set and close it, it will not display you anything. Okay, so when you are writing the frame set, in that you will not use the this tag, body tag. Okay, so let's go and see now. Border is gone. See, border is gone completely. No border. Page is looking perfect, clean. Tomorrow we will be working on only frame set. We have divided as a row wise now. We will create another page. There we'll divide column wise. First row, then in between two columns, maybe one left and one right. After that, we'll keep the navigation in the header. Now header you will provide the navigation here. If you click on any link, the content will change in white block. If you click on any link, content will change in white block. Your footer will be fixed, header will be fixed, content will change under the middle section. Okay, that will happen through the user defined target. In HREL, we have learned there is a property called target. In that, we have one user defined target. So when the user will click here, their target will be this white section. When you click here, content will change here. When you click anywhere, we can set the target of middle block. So when you click anywhere, the content will change into the middle section. Okay, so in that LMS, InfoCampus LMS, all the form related you have tried or not? This one. This form related example. HTML, inside that, this one. Set number 4. Set number, whichever the forms are here, you should try that. In set number 4, you have all background different. So suppose if it say like how I can make this button green. So you can't make green. Okay. This happened through CSS. So now you try through HTML, just design the structure. This background is red, you can do that. BG color red. Okay. Here background is yellow, BG color yellow. But this kind of, you can say look will not come. You can see shadow is there. That happens through the box shadow through CSS. You can design only a structure. So try this set number 4. And then here also some photos are there. You can try. And then here also 3 photos are there. This is the form related. So set number 4, 6 photo. And set number 5, first 3 photo. You can try. And after learning the frame set, you can try this one. Set number 6. This is based on frame set. This is based on frame set. So what we designed today one, header, footer, middle, based on that this one is. So after attending tomorrow class, you can do this set number 6. But now you can try set number 4, 6 photos and these 3 photos. Okay. If you have no account, then what you will do? You will open this URL. I will send this URL. You need to open this URL and you need to register in that. I will send you in the group. You need to register in that URL. After registering, you need to log in. While registering time, you have to give the same mobile number that you have given here. Okay. Same mobile number that you have given here. And then you will log in. After login, you can see the HTML assignment and try. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow. Frame set related. So working, anyone need files? Or it's work similar? Okay then. Then see you tomorrow. We'll end the session.